In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Metatrader 5 account. Before we dive in, it's important to clarify what delete means inside Metatrader 5. There are two very different actions: removing an account from the MT5 platform on your computer and actually closing the trading account that exists on your broker's servers. The first is a local cleanup. The second is a formal closure with your broker. Let's start with removing an account from MT5 on desktop. MT5 stores your saved accounts in the Navigator window. To tidy up that list, simply right-click the account you no longer want to see and choose Delete. This removes the saved login information from your platform. Think of it like logging a device out of an app. It does not cancel or terminate the account at your broker. If you change your mind later, you can still log back into that same account using the credentials you already have, and it will reappear in your Navigator. This is a great way to keep your platform organized, especially if you've tested multiple accounts or switched brokers. Now, if your goal is to completely close a real, live trading account so it can't be used in MT5 anymore, that must be done through your broker. Metatrader 5 can't close broker accounts because those accounts are created and maintained on the broker's systems. To proceed, log into your broker's client portal or dashboard. Make sure you close all open positions and withdraw any remaining funds so the balance is zero. Next, look for a close account option or an account closure request form in the portal. If you don't see it, contact the broker's support team and request closure. They may ask you to confirm your details and verify that there's no balance or open trades. Once the broker completes the closure, that account will no longer accept logins in MT5. The exact steps and processing time can vary by broker, so follow their instructions carefully. A few important notes to keep in mind. Adding or removing accounts in MT5 is purely local. It doesn't affect the real status of the account on your broker's server. Demo accounts created through a broker often expire automatically after a period of inactivity and may disappear from your platform without action from you. And for real accounts, there's no built-in MT5 delete from broker function. Formal closure always goes through the broker's system. That's it. Remove it locally if you just want to clean up your platform, or close it with your broker if you're done for good. Follow the path that matches your goal, and you'll be all set.